So I made a battery replacement video for the Shark Classic Tide watch. This is the Shark ABC. It's the altimeter, barometer, and compass. It's like a really big watch. Also needs a battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. First thing you need is a really little Phillips head screwdriver. So I took out those 4 screws. They seem a little bit bigger than, they're definitely longer than the screws in the other watch, because this is such a big watch. I guess they're just bigger screws. Next you got to take this metal out, this metal plate off, which I'm going to have to do off camera because I can't do it with one hand. Basically I had to like push these things back a bit to get it free, because it kind of goes behind, goes like behind the strap, so I had to push them out. And I also stuck the screwdriver under the one corner to pop it up. But be careful when you do that, because there's probably a gasket under there, so don't push it too far just to get it up. Boom, there you go. Yeah, there is a gasket there. So if you use the screwdriver, don't put it underneath, just like use it to like kind of pull it up, or just push these things out and let it fall out of place. You'll figure it out. So it looks like this takes a CR2032, which is the same as the Tide watch. So I have a couple more of those. And I like this because to get this one off, it looks like it's just a screw that needs to come undone to pop that up, where the other one I had to use tweezers to pull it up. So I'll undo that screw and we'll swap out this battery, flat top up. So when I unscrewed it, this whole thing popped out. I guess when I put the new one in there, it'll just that side will clip down, and then I'll screw that back on. Too hard to do with one hand. I don't want to lose that screw in there. Basically now it just needs to be pressed down. Yeah, I mean, sorry about that, but I pressed down on that, got it lined up, I pressed down on that, and then I just pushed this, and I just screwed the screw in. And that's it. Now we'll put the back on. Let's see if it works actually right now. Boom. Oh shit. Something just fell off, so don't do that. This just fell off. This is cover. There we go. So that was the same thing. To get the cover to fit back in, you just gotta really push these out to the side to open the space to push it down, and they kind of like lock it in place. I would say this one is way easier than the regular Tide watch, even though this watch isn't even available anymore. The ABC, I'll show you. That's really it. Just put these 4 screws back in, tighten them up. There we go. There we go. It's like a new watch. That's the light. It's got this compass mode, altimeter, barometer. This stuff needs to like reset. I need to figure out how to mess with all these. That's something you can always look up online. I'm gonna get this thing set up now. So hopefully this video was helpful if anyone's got this old watch model. It looks really goofy on my wrist. Might as well show you. Look how big it is. I got small wrists too, but But yeah, it's cool to have. You know, I usually wear an Apple Watch, but I figure these are just sitting in my drawer. You know, might as well get some batteries in them in case I feel like wearing one. So it's cool getting this thing going again. This was an expensive watch back in the day too, over $100, I think. All right, thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. I got all sorts of different stuff, all sorts of stuff, like how YouTube was supposed to be. You know, no sponsors, no bullshit, just a bunch of different kind of stuff from life. All right, see you later.